Hello lovely people, I'm really happy right now to make this video for the first event that I'm doing here in Bali. It's called Beyond Family. It's a all day, one day family constellation, and I'm really grateful to be able to make it. We are a small group of people, more people coming, it's on 22, but I want the group quite small so I can really focus on your family constellation, and we will take time to go and to dive deep into your family constellation. There is so much information, so much video on my social media about family constellation, so please watch it if you want to know more about it. And it's still few places, so get registered and follow the link on the description. So see you and have some blessings time until the family constellation. Bye bye.